friends, this is Martin from Secrets, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to Markets Tomorrow, the crypto market analysis show that we do every day. We understand the charts and then try to learn something from it and plan for a better trade for the next day. So January 18th, Thursday, tomorrow, 2024. Then we're doing the analysis for the day. It's a very big crash day today. We were talking about this bearishness for a long time. So the more the market has moved up steeply, the more steeply come down. So HDFCBANK since outcome has got into the market and then both indices fell sharply. We have all the details here. Take a screenshot if you would like to. But we'll go to the latch charts and then see it. Here's the Nifty. Steep fall. And that's an inverted hammer. It can be even more bearish. Lost the daily exponential moving average. It can be even more bearish if the price moves below the candle slope. Steep fall. That's 460 points single day. Look at Banknifty. This lagging behind the Nifty since a long time, and today it happened. It had a doji and decisive candle yesterday, and it look at this 2060 points in a single day. That's 4.28% one single day. Mighty mega crash. That's because HDFCBANK contributes big after the merger. It's around 15% or more, and any 8% fall in the HDFCBANK would obviously mean this early. It had not corrected. It had vertical breakouts that are December month, and that it found a reason to correct. That's what basically what we can understand. Anyway, so now Banknifty is in the top, in the bottom of the trend line channel. Probably it may consolidate there. Well, Nifty is long way further to go down to the bottom. It lost 20 expansion on average. It is a lot of support on side. So candlestick inverted hammer is always bearish if the price is confirming below the low of this candle. Corrections come in only 2.5% on the Nifty as against 5.5% from the Banknifty. So no correction will be due on the Nifty rather than the Banknifty. The first resistance will be the gap 21,928 on the upside, and after that all time high 22,125. Downside, the supports will be first 21,500 would be a good support. 450 also is support because it's the bottom of that rectangle box, and if that is breached, then you have 23.8 retracement, 23.6, that's 21,350. If that is also breached, then you come to 21,000, which is a confirmed support. So the 50 Demat expansion moving average and the Fibonacci expansion and Fibonacci retracement, 61.8 extension and 38.2 retracement. Let's see supports in Nifty. Banknifty, now that it has fallen big time, it may be consolidating actually, but 46,000 is crucial. If that cannot be held, then it goes down to 45,700. After that 45,500 surrounding number, and also 50% Fibonacci retracement level, right? Upside 20 expansion moving average could be a resistance, 47,466, and after that 47,000 would be a major resistance. First 47 was major resistance, after that 47,500, then 48,000, likewise upside. That's resistance in the upside. So it bridges this trend line also, then we have Fibonacci 60, there is a gap at 40. So yeah, things are going to be worse if now Banknifty corrects much more. The thing is, Banknifty has a deep cut, but Nifty still has not corrected that much because even yesterday it made any all-time high. So I think what's about that. So this is a summary. I talked about most of the things. Correction is only 2.6 to 5.5% so far. Nifty close about below above the 21,500 basically. The Banknifty closed about 46,000 in expiry day today. Today it was gap down and then trending downward. I felt it does not come in, but yesterday they were turned buyers of days or turned sellers after several days. Today both of these resistance would have solved. Resistance support levels you already seen. Momentum is sideways now in the Nifty and it's falling further. Banknifty momentum has turned bearish. Trend is crossed over to bear zone on the ADX on both. So short-term bearishness has come in. Nifty slightly having an upper edge, that's all. VIX has shot up 11%, now it's 15. one of the recent highs. It has gone to 16 or something, so stay cautious. If it is heading to 20, then it may not be very comfortable for derivatives and option traders. Bands are showing expansion, but in the downside of the Banknifty. And expansion on the upside of the Nifty had turned to contraction. So it's sideways on Nifty and down move further on the Banknifty is what the bands are indicating. So technically charts, now the momentum in the trend. It has to confirm that tomorrow also if it continues, then anyway the bullishness is gone. Now we have to climb back there. Now it's in the sideways and Nifty it's in the negative zone, so bear zone. So correction has not happened much on the Nifty yet. So better be cautious. Sectors are all red except the IT. IT is and reality two sector that is maintaining the bullishness even after this fall. Right. Other all major sectors, industry sectors are all sideways. Heavyweights are all red except the Nifty indices. So all the heavyweights are in bullish momentum itself except the bank stocks. No, today except the Nifty TCS everything is gone. So ignore that second statement. So US index is showing some red. You'll be cautious about that. Dollar is spiking up. Rupee remains to be weak, and crude oil is also falling. Gold also is falling at the top. Crude oil at the bottom. Both are showing some kind of consolidation at the bottom and at the top, respectively. Every dip may be an opportunity for investing in long term for good quality stocks in a SIP mode. Right. And for the traders, the direction is slightly shifting. It does not confirm. You have to wait for confirmation for sideways on both for some days. Only then you will have to go shift your strategy in no direction. And then go continue with the direction because Nifty has to also come to sideways and confirm it one more day, 1 or 2 days more. So continue with the direction strategy itself until then. The Banknifty it's already confirmed. Yeah. Question has to be still there, more falls can come in. Nifty is given up all the gains of the entire December month now. Nifty is holding on. Banknifty has to come back if the rally has to continue, so that's for sure. So that's a good wrap up. So tomorrow is an expiry day, so we'll quickly go to sorry, I forgot about this, including this, but expiry day for Nifty. Weekly expiry for 18 Jan. So the PCR is bearish, of course. As put writing, call writing is in at 21,800. So resistance is going to be there as per the operators. Support is at 21,000. 21,000 could act as a very good support. What is it? 21,500 points fall may not happen. So this could be the place where you have to short the puts, and this could be the place where you have to short the calls, basically. As of now, this may change, but expiry is tomorrow. This is what it shows. So even the futures operators was short build up. So it's all bearish. It's long unwinding on the Nifty today, like the Banknifty it is. Because Banknifty was long build up yesterday also, probably day before yesterday and all this. Banknifty is bearish. So Banknifty is short build up, but Nifty it's long unwinding. That's also bearish only. So overall, operators is bearish. The call ratio is bearish on the options. You just have to keep in mind that levels of 21,000 and 21,800. Right? That's it. Find out on the other sides that can move. Right. That's all I have for today. If you don't subscribe and watching this, please subscribe and share to friends and colleagues. That is Automax. Thanks. Happy trading, happy learning, happy investing.